important. I'm rolling out a recipe, my dear.
Yes.
Thanks to the folks at MacFoods. And we're using a very select range of deli sausages.
Okay.
They have an entire range of deli sausages. The Asian, they have a Spanish, they have a spicy.
Oh, okay.
So I'm kind of working on the spicy Spanish kind of vibes.
Okay, nice.
And I'm doing a stew.
Nice.
I hope you like stews.
I like stews.
So let me tell you what I did here first of all. I used some bacon. I used some blue ribbon bacon.
Right.
And I just kind of allow the bacon to render down.
Okay.
And get that bacon fat. So no oil.
Yeah, you don't need oil with bacon because it has its own, right?
So I let that render down.
Right.
And then I chopped up the bacon, which I have here, which I'll show you how I'll use a little later. But it's really just bacon fat. I chop up the bacon and I put that down there for later. So now I want to get some veggies going. Veggies is the base of my stew.
Okay,
so nice. I have some onions, I have some peppers, so I have some garlic. I have this little tool that now I can't live without. So I just garlic. No need to chop garlic up, Bitsy. Flavor is starting to develop there. Nothing can't go better than Trini green seasoning. So some Trini green seasoning in there.
Of course.
So I have 3 spices that I'm going to add to allow it to cook off here as well, Bitsy.
I'm a spice girl.
You're a spice girl?
Yes, I am.
So let me start with geera.
Ooh, okay.
So geera, I have some paprika.
Right.
And some chili powder.
Ooh.
So in a nutshell, when you taste and it's something hitting in the back here, it's those little spices kind of,
glands and that kind of thing.
Salt and pepper. And I now want to add the liquid. So this is tomato sauce. Straight out of the can.
Okay.
No mats. Tomato sauce straight out of the can. And I just have some stock. So you could use chicken, vegetable, beef, any kind of stock you want. It could be straight out of the box.
Do they sell it out of the box?
Straight out of the box.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
this
nice.
is straight out of the box. In there, and you kind of mix everything together. While that's simmering, I'm going to get my sausages ready. So, as I said, I'm using the MacFoods Deli Select and the spicy sausages.
Right.
There's a spicy one and Spanish sausage flavored ones as well.
Okay.
Check it out, guys. MacFoods, an entire line. So all I'm doing now with this, where's my knife? It's right here. And I just really want to put a little chop on it at a bias so I kind of get nice surface area on the sausages.
Okay, nice.
Right? And I'm doing Spanish now. So Spanish and spicy, I thought would have gone well together.
Yeah, because Spanish people tend to have like spicy type
spicy
food.
Kind of food, right? Yeah, that spicy kind of food.
Cante.
So, so sausages, and I can take these sausages now and dump straight in there. Allow it to start to flavor the stew right away, right? Get a nice mix.
Now I'm seeing some very interesting things still.
What you seeing?
I'm seeing the channa and I'm seeing the patchoi.
So channa and patchoi is how I bring it back home.
All right,
I'll bring it back. So it's Spanish spicy sausages, but I bring it back home with some channa.
Okay, nice.
So the channa really is just to add, that little texture.
Right.
And I really just want to add that to the end, which is just about now when it's starting to build its flavor. You just add the channa in there. You add some tomatoes. And everything coming together nicely. Final bit of action, Bitsy, is the patchoi. Patchoi is something that I don't know about you, but as a child, I did not like.
My mom, what she used to do, especially with vegetables, she would always mix it with some sort of stew.
Right.
And in that way, we would eat it.
You would eat it, yeah. They would hide it. They would hide it in the air, which is kind of what we do in here. Patchoi takes a little while to cook, so you add it there. I really love this recipe. Bitsy, I hope you try it.
It's really interesting because I've never heard of sausages, and patchoi, and channa. Together, all in one, in a stew. Yeah, it's really interesting.
In a one-pot stew. So you mix that in there. I would say now, about 10, 15 minutes, cover it down. I just want to add a little shad of beni.
Just to add the local flavor.
That's why I say I'm bringing the local. I bring back in the local. You allow that, as I said, just to simmer and just to do its thing. And Bitsy, we're not going to wait on that because I know we're hungry. We are hungry. So I have a nice pot here.
Wow.
That I did. So when you look at it.
Wow.
You see how it comes down nicely there? All I want to do with some nice rice is just take it.
Wow.
Spoon it there all around. It's a nice hearty dish. Sausages.
My mouth is watering.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I remember the bacon I told you about.
Oh.
So I just want to put a little bacon to the top. So what is really just a little different because the bacon is nice and crispy.
Yeah.
So it gives you a nice little crunch with all the wonderful flavors that you're getting there. Bitsy, please enjoy.
Oh my God.
I really am now anxious for you just to take a little taste and tell me if you like it.
Oh my God. Wow. This is so good. Oh, they are shame. This is so good.
Go and make the thing fries. Okay. Thanking the folks at MacFoods for making this one possible. MacFoods Sausages. Check out their Deli Select line of sausages. There's an Asian one that I can't wait to try. Oh, Lil Bitts in the house. We share a cup with her next.
Meat Mouths Rule. Brought to you by MacFoods. Quality guaranteed.